Hello everybody, hope you guys are well. What we can see is there's a lot of damage in this nail. It's very, very infected. And there's a hole here. See, you can just lift the nail plate up. With these, if you go in like this, it will split the nail up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go from the root, push it down gently, okay, and then I'm going to just try to remove it from within like that, versus then going in, because I don't want to cause more damage. So yeah, like that. So you can see it's really kind of coming up very, very easily. I said to the patients that either this is going to take 5 minutes or 1 minute. So you can see it's coming up very easily. I think it might not be 1 minute because there's a bit there still stuck on the side. So that's all that soft and squishy bit removed. I always wipe the tools before I go back in. Let's have a look. So what I'm doing now is just really trying to remove that layer of debris and fungus, microorganisms from that nail bed. So what's going on here? Is there still a nail? Yes, there is. So if you look very closely here, there's still a little bit of nail. We don't want to get rid of all of that because that leaves that there can harbor infection. So we really want to do a thorough job. So we look very, very dewy in. Let's see if there's anything else clean. Around 15 feet. You can see still a little bit of debris there. A bit of all that. There's something in that. Yeah. Important to be really thorough. Don't like this. Voila! Happy with that. And we need to make sure that we dry really thoroughly. Any moisture that's there that can increase the risk of infection. So you hold it for a couple of seconds, rub it in. Voila! All done. Let's try to cut off time, please. Like that. Check for bleeding. Check. And then one of these dressings. And we just like to probably wrap it on not too tight. me pause it. Chibi net or chibi grip. What do you guys call it in the National Health Service?
Chibi net.
Chibi net, yeah. Chibi grip, chibi net. The main thing is that you know what it is. And that just sometimes just holds the dressing in place, doesn't it? I'll just do one